Welcome back to Shift Focus. Right now I'm at Star Rock and I'm here to hear Solder, the band, play. They've come all the way from Bangalore and apparently none of the IPL action has drowned out the party spirits of Chennai. The sound check sounds pretty promising from out here, so let's go check it out. We have with us Nritya, who's here to hear Solder play. So Nritya, what are you looking forward to tonight? What do you expect?
Solder is actually, the band is full of friends of mine and I know them from Bangalore and I know that their music's really, really good. I've heard them in Bangalore and it'll be nice to see what Chennai thinks of their music as well.
Tell us about the genre you play. I've been told you're a feel-good rock band. What does that mean?
I think it's self-explanatory, feel good.
Okay.
So when we play our music, we make sure people feel good.
Okay.
Anything else you want to add to that?
When we play music, we feel good. So,
And what about the name Solder? Does it have any meaning or what's that about?
Well, being broke musicians and all, we tend to try and experiment with our equipment. So Joel, who loves to tell the story, will tell it to you.
He tells it the best.
One of our guitarist cables came apart. So we didn't have money to buy a new one, so we soldered the old one together. That was the first thing we did together as a band, so hence the name.
Solder, I see. Okay, so good luck for your performance in there. Won't keep you any longer. Yeah, nice talking to you and good luck.
Just were a wedding looks out the window, watching us walking on, and it's passing gone. All the lonely people, where do they all come from? All the lonely people, where do they all come from?
We have with us right now Sandhya, who is the editor of Score and also emceeing the event tonight. Sandhya, what do you think we can expect tonight from Solder?
Solder is a really popular act in Bangalore, and these guys were here the last time for Chennai Live Band Hunt, the finals, and they had a really good reception from the Chennai crowd. And they play rock, they say they play feel-good rock, so it's just really high-octane rock music, so I think it's going to be an energetic night. It's going to be pretty fun, yeah.
Are we expecting a good turnout despite the IPL?
Oh yeah, that's a very valid point, but I think the music fraternity is really cool that way, they will come in good numbers to show their support, so we hope.
And can we expect more fun nights from Score every Friday?
Absolutely. This is still very much on every Friday. If you guys don't have plans or, you can actually alter your plans to this, you can make your way to Star Rock at Spring Hotel at 8 p.m. We always have good acts. Next week we have metal. We have complete metal, Eccentric Pendulum coming all the way from Bangalore. We have a lot of national bands coming these days for Score nights. So yeah, I would say, support the independent music scene. Do come on Friday nights.
If someone needs you. tell me a story about something, a story about the angels and the heavenly love. When life seems to go about in a hurry, nothing seems oh so lost. Still the ways out there, out that keeps carrying high and low. Never be worried, never be sad. There's someone needs you. People be calling you out in the world. Don't hide in the shadows.
I'm here right now with TT Sriram, who's also part of another band, Tales on Fire. Sriram, do you think your band's better than Solder?
They're very good friends of mine. They're from Bangalore, so I don't know.
Oh, come on, you don't have to be politically correct. You can tell us what you really think.
No, I think they're better than us. You know, yeah, I'm always a loyal fan of Solder, so yeah.
What's your favorite thing about them?
Harmonies. I think they're the only band that actually focus on a song and not, don't sit and, have very individualistic tendencies where they go in solo. No, none of that rubbish. So it's like a whole song that they play. So I like their sound.
It's definitely worth missing an IPL match for Solder.
I hate cricket. Why would I be at a bloody cricket match?
Star Rock resonated with a lot of energy today. Solder brought us a nice acoustic folk country sort of feel with their music, and they ended with a Beatles medley, which was such a hit with the audience. They were swaying to their tunes. So we'll see you next week on Shift Focus. Until then, this is Uttara signing off. Bye-bye.